Okay, so we're going to create a shape. Doesn't matter what size, but it will affect how big the gauge is. So let's just put it right here. Right click onto it, grab this number, or you can grab it by that. And it's grabbing that object number and put it as the data place, the placeholder ID, just like that. We're going to keep 60%. This is how long it is. This is when it starts. And this is if it's true, or if it starts, or if it's just scrub it. And this is the font, the stroke, widths for the inside and outside, and the colors, and a bunch of other number stuff right here if you want to click those numbers. So we've changed it out. We'll press preview. You're going to see this blue.
60% of online shoppers report feeling more confident in their purchase decisions after comparing options side by side.
All right, so you notice that blue circle there. We can just go to our colors and just change it to 90%, 99%. And with line colors, just stick it away. So you practically can't see it. When you preview it, and you're gonna just see it.
60% of online shoppers report feeling more confident in their purchase decisions after.
So there you go. If you like this tutorial, like it. If you love it, subscribe. Have a wonderful day.